Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a slide in Google Slides. So if you want to copy a slide, here is a quick tutorial on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do, you have to locate the slide you wish to copy. You can see this is the list of all the slides I have in my presentation. So I can see from 1 to 21. So I have 21 slides in this presentation. So there's a particular, maybe it's now, but like for example now you want to copy out or you want to duplicate a slide, just head over to that slide, click on it, then right click on it, then you can just copy the slide. You can see this is copy, and if you want to duplicate, you can also duplicate. Duplicate simply means you trying to make you want to duplicate a file in 2 dimensions. It's more or less like copy and paste. If you duplicate it, there's another, there will be the original copy of that what you duplicate, and the other version of it is the one that you duplicate, which is the copy and paste version of it. So I'm just going to tap on copy, then you can just go and paste it into another slide, or if you have empty page and you want to create another file, just paste it, or if you want to duplicate it, you should just turn it to so let me just try and the duplicate method. Now duplicate side, you can see duplicate side, we have the first one and the other one, which is the duplicate version of this slide, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.